Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Alicia and happy October, happy almost Halloween. It's my favorite month of the year, and this month I'm trying to get a video out to you guys every single day in October. Let's see if it works, if it happens. Will I fail? Possibly, but I'm gonna try really hard to get you guys a video every day. So today's video is an unboxing of Knotty Knickers. So it's an underwear like subscription box type of deal in Canada. They currently ship to Canada, the UK, and the US, and the price is $3.99, but the best deal that you can get is when you buy 3 pairs. And it's delivered to your door in discreet packaging, and I'll show you guys what my packaging looks like. And I actually haven't opened mine yet because I obviously wanted to save it for this video. So it looks like this, and then obviously it has like my address on the other side. But I mean, what is this? Who knows? Who would know? It's discreet. But anyway, if you guys want to see what I got in my Knotty Knickers subscription box packaging deal, keep watching. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe if you do enjoy my content. And let's go ahead and get right into this Knotty Knickers unboxing. What could be inside? I actually was so excited when they asked if I would like to work with them, because when Knotty Knickers reached out, I was like, oh my God, 1, love the name, 2, love Canada, 3, yes. And I love subscription boxes. We all know that. Subscription boxes are so fun. And so to have one be like for underwear, that's so cute. Mine are in an XXL. So and they go from an extra small to, I believe, a 3XL. Yes, they go up to a 3XL. So it comes in this packaging. And then it says hashtag, what does it say? Hashtag get naughty. That's hilarious. That's really, really funny. I'm so dumb. Does anybody else do this? Where it's like, it's packaged so that you lift up the bottom part, but I'm always like trying to tear the top off like an animal. These are so cute. I'm loving these. Okay. Okay, I love these. Look at that pink lace detailing. Oh my God, it's like little hearts. That is so freaking cute. Oh my gosh, I love that. And it looks very high-waisted. I'm obviously not gonna show you a try on because that would definitely get demonetized. But look how cute these are. The material feels so nice. Like that feels pretty high quality. All right, my next pair, again, XXL. Packaging looks like that. It's so freaking cute. Hashtag get naughty. I love that. That's so cute. I absolutely love this color. You guys, look at the back of this. Is that not the cutest thing you've ever seen? That is adorable. And the lace. Oh my gosh, gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Simply adorable. Simply adorable. And then we've got one more. And hashtag get naughty. Oh, and it's recyclable. Oh, that's so cute. Recycle the bag. We stan a company that cares about the planet. These are so cute. At first I was like, I don't know if I'm vibing with the fabric, but then I was like, I am. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, I can't with these. These are too cute. I'm literally like beaming. I think these, oh my God, I'm so excited. I'm just so happy. This is so cute. Look, okay, you guys, the side is like a little skirt. How cute. How freaking cute. And I love that they're all different cuts. And when they asked if I wanted to work with them, they let me choose. And what you get to choose is like what cuts you want. If you want them all to be like, do you want them all to be like full briefs? Do you want like a mixture? And you can pick which vibe you're feeling. So I think I got the mixed bag because I wanted just like a little of everything. And I felt like I got a little of everything. This was so fun. I definitely recommend if you guys have been like looking for just some kind of fun way to get some new Knotty Knickers. I definitely recommend checking them out. And I do want to say that the quality is really awesome for the price they're charging. Like the quality is great. It's just, it's a comfortable material. It's stretchy, so you never have to worry about like if it doesn't fit, because I tried all of these on. Sorry if anything looks different. My camera battery died, so I had to replace it. But what I was saying was that the quality is awesome, and to have it be like a surprise too is super fun. We all know I love when things are like a surprise. Whenever I do subscription boxes of any kind, I always want to be surprised. And it's just fun. It's like giving yourself a fun little gift, and everyone needs new underwear, new Knotty Knickers. You know, everyone needs to replenish their stock of Knotty Knickers, so, or just knickers if you're not into the naughty part, you know, whatever, it's fine too. So everyone needs to replenish them anyway, so why not go ahead and get a subscription box of them? How many times do you go, I need to throw those away, and then you never do? Now you actually can. Now you actually can, and then you can replenish them throughout the year. That's super cool. And like I said, the price is $3.99, but the best price is when you get all 3 of them because you end up saving money. In all of their knickers, it's 100% cotton lining, which, thank you. I appreciate that. I really do. Oh, and I did want to mention, so the package types that they offer is the Knotty, which is thongs / G-strings, sugar and spice, which is what I got, which is a mix of everything, and then they have just nice, which is full back pairs. So basically, if you just don't like the feel of a thong, or you just aren't into that vibe and you don't like the way that those feel, you don't have to ever get a thong in yours. You can just do the full backs, which I like to try a thong every once in a while, but if I'm being honest, like that's not what I wear day to day. Mostly just like yoga pants and stuff like that. And especially since, you know, everyone's been kind of home more frequently, we probably aren't wearing as many thongs, or at least comment. No, I don't want to ask you guys about what knickers you wear. Oh my gosh. We've just unleashed a whole new Lecialicious. A naughty one. Oh my God, stop. Why am I like this? Anyway, you can choose how many you get, whether you get 1, 2, or 3 pairs of whatever, whether you choose sugar and spice or nice or naughty. Whichever you choose, you get to pick if you want 1, 2, or 3 pairs. I recommend the 3. And so I guess my overall thoughts is just that it's awesome to be surprised. It's awesome to like get a little present in the mail that's some new underwear or knickers. I feel like I don't know if it's a Midwestern thing, or like comment below. Do you call them knickers, underwear? Like what do you call them? I wonder if all of that's gonna get like banned from the comments. I don't know, but I don't know. I feel weird calling them underwear because I feel like that's such a, like, I don't know if it's Midwestern or just like country. I don't know, but knickers. I do like the word knickers better. I think that it sounds more like what is the word I'm looking for? More elegant. I think it sounds more elegant. So yeah, my overall thoughts is that it's super fun to get surprised by a little package of knickers to your door, because everyone needs new knickers. You just do. And it's cool because it's an awesome price for awesome quality, and the comfort level, Lecialicious 100% approved. They fit awesome, to be honest with you. Like I said, I tried them on after I like unboxed, but obviously I can't do that on camera, and they fit awesome. I really, really love them, to be honest. I'm so excited about them. The colors are so cute. I absolutely would do this again. 100%. I recommend. So definitely check them out if you're in the need for some new knickers, or if you just want to treat yourself. There's nothing wrong with treating yourself to some new Knotty Knickers. So yes, check out their website. I'll have it linked in the description below. And let me know what you guys end up thinking. If you guys try them, let me know in the comments. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one.